Internet. Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial video on how to build a 3D chest. If you want to know what a 3D chest is, look no further than Arnold Schwarzenegger. He is the most famous example. He's not the only example. He's just the most famous example of somebody that's built a 3D chest. Most people know what 3D delts are. You start getting that massive curvature to your delts, causes a 3D effect. Well, the same thing applies to your chest. You get that roundness, that fullness, and just with the chest particularly, you get the crease that goes along where it separates your pectoral muscles from your abdominal muscles. So you get that big crease, the big round and fullness, and that's really what creates the 3D effect with your pecs. So again, how to do that? There's going to be five main components that you're going to focus on. There's going to be 4 main movements and then 1 main bench angle. So the bench angle that I use, like the only bench angle that I use, I don't do flat bench. I just do a 30-degree bench angle, and I don't use any, like again, I don't do a flat bench. That's probably going to weird some people out there. Be like, you don't do flat bench? No, I only do incline bench and I only do 30-degree angle. And it's just the way that it's building out my chest. It's building out that 3D effect from that angle perfectly. Restructuring my chest. So again, that's why I don't do flat bench. And I recommend the same. So yeah, 30-degree bench angle, no flat bench. And then there's going to be 4 main movements that you're going to do that are all going to give your pectoral muscles a different stretch. They're all going to work out your pectoral muscles. Think of different stretches in different dimensions. It's working out your pectoral muscles in different dimensions. You know, so you get more that round, full pectoral muscle look, that 3D effect. So again, that's just what you're going to want to do with more than one movement for every muscle group. That'll give a different stretch. That'll work out your muscle in a different dimension. So again, there's 4 main movements that I'm doing, and then there's going to be the bench angle, a 30-degree bench angle. So that's the 5 main components that you're going to want to remember and test out for yourself, hopefully. So again, if you do this, I swear to God, it's just going to restructure and change your chest completely. So here we go. And they're all done with dumbbells just to make the process simpler, easier, whatever. Okay, so first movement, just the dumbbell bench press. That's movement number 1, dumbbell bench press. And then the movement number 2 is twisting dumbbell bench press. So again, starting with your hands at the horizontal position and twisting vertically. That's the twisting dumbbell bench press. It's movement number 2. And then the third movement, keeping your hands vertical, you're going to do barrel presses. Just hands at your sides, vertical, hand position, pushing straight up. Barrel press. That's the third movement. And then the fourth movement is going to be pec flies. Arms straight out. And you can look up a better video and demonstration on how to do pec flies. But again, just look up pec flies. That's the fourth movement. Get a full angle, full stretch of what the pec fly looks like. And these are all done at a 30-degree bench angle. So again, you got the movement number 1, regular just dumbbell bench press. Movement number 2, twisting dumbbell bench press. Movement number 3, barrel press. Movement number 4, pec flies. So you got those 4 main movements that you're all doing at a 30-degree angle on the incline bench. And I swear to God, if you just give this a shot, if you try it, it's going to change and reconstruct your chest and the way it's shaped. And I promise you, I mean, as long as you put in the work, though, you got to work hard. Obviously, none of that stuff comes easy in the gym, but if you put in the hard work, you're going to get the results back. So hopefully somebody out there tries this, incorporates it into their routine. Hope somebody enjoys.